Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful wand curls on my Amazon Kinky straight wig, because that is one of the things that I said I wanted to try. So I'm actually, at first when I was doing it, I was kind of like afraid of how it was coming out, but now I'm kind of really liking it after it cooled off and it's poofing up a little by itself. Before it was really, well, you'll see in the clip how it was looking before, but now it's just giving natural waves, and I like it. I haven't done anything in it except run my fingers through it one time, and then I've been moving around and stuff, so it's getting more and more poofy. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys how it looks. And it took me only about 10-15 minutes. I took little sections because I wanted it to come out really defined. So you will see that in the clip as well. I held each piece for about 30 to 60 seconds just to make sure that it was good. If it's a thicker piece, obviously you want to hold it longer. And I used the temperature 330 because I feel like when I use the wand on like weaves and stuff, it tends to make my hair a little bit crispy, but the crispy feeling is gone now that the curls have fell. But yeah, I leave it on 330, and that's how I achieve this. Is a 1-inch barrel, I think, and I got it from, actually, I've had it for a while. I don't know where I got it from. So without further ado, I will let you guys watch the rest of the video. Of course, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. This is a really short video. I just wanted to come on and share with you guys how the wand curls look. And yeah, and subscribe to my channel so that we can grow and you won't miss out on another video. Hey guys, I'm popping back in. So at this part right here, I just wanted you to really pay attention to or the way that I'm using the wand curler and the way that I'm wrapping the hair around the wand. It is very crucial to how your curls come out. If you leave the hair flat, it's gonna make a more, curling iron curl. If you slightly twist the hair as you wrap it, the hair will get these waves or kind of mimic a bantu knot, if you ever did bantu knots before. And remember, the heat is on 330, and make sure you're counting to 30 or 60 seconds. Let it cool, wipe your fingers through, and you're done.